Let's go to the Nero AI website. Nero AI provides a variety of AI tools, helping your media editing and enhancing. Except for image enhancing, there are also creative tools, like background remover and face animation. If you're a business user or developer looking to integrate Nero AI into your own product or workflow, at the top of the website, click Business. This page lists all AI services available for business and developer use. Nero AI provides API access to these services for business users. You can go to the API access page for API keys. First, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, create an account first. Go to AI API Access. Click Get Free API Key. Here is your API dashboard. Copy the key and store it securely. You can now use this API key to integrate Nero AI services into your application or workflow.